Alright, we are here opening day of Galaxy's Edge. A little ridiculous, but it's kind of like Black Friday shopping. You just can't not do it. It's just an experience, basically. So yeah, this is our day. Got here, like literally at open, the line was already 300 minutes for the only ride open. So we're going to bypass that and not go on the ride yet. We're just gonna go check out the land. All right, we are in, y'all. This is crazy. It literally feels like a different planet. This is so awesome. We're going into the little marketplace. Not gonna lie, y'all. It was a little overwhelming, so we left Galaxy's Edge, and now we're Toy Story Land because Slinky Dog Dash was like 0 minutes. So what else are we gonna do?
Literally 0 minutes. It's not like it's 0 minutes.
Literally. So we're gonna ride this like 5 times because it's our favorite ride, and we never get to go on it like continuously. Right, so we rode Slinky Dog and Rock and Roller Coaster. And now we actually think random. We're gonna go to Rope Drop at Animal Kingdom because I'm gonna try to get on Flight of Passage before it gets crazy. It's a good part about being here this early. You can just kind of get on everything. So that's our next stop. It's so pretty right now. It's like 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m. And it's just now sun coming up. Beautiful. So we ended up actually coming back to Animal Kingdom, and we were here at Rope Drop. So we were riding Flight of Passage first, and there's literally no line now, like everyone's walking in through this part. So really excited. All right, so we've been at Animal Kingdom for a little bit. We did Pandora, Flight of Passage twice, which was awesome. Tram, oh, not the tram, go-kart.
A few moments later.
We got picked up on a go-kart, golf cart. We'll take it. We'll take it. All right, y'all. So we just pulled back up at Animal Kingdom, and the ride in Galaxy's Edge right now, right this moment, is 180, and there is a like virtual queue to get in. So you have to like make a group, and then you like wait 3 hours is what we did. We just went to Animal Kingdom, but for like people who don't have passes who are just going, just know you're gonna have to wait to get into Galaxy's Edge. This being said, this was our first day it being open, so it's probably not gonna be as crazy, but it'll probably be crazy for a few weeks after. So just throwing that at you. We did have to wait. We got here bright and early this morning at like 5:30 a.m. as you saw, and we went right in, but we went out of Galaxy's Edge and like went to Slinky Dog, and when we went to Slinky Dog they wouldn't let us back in for 3 hours. So we had to make a virtual group on the My Disney Experience app, and then we just went to Animal Kingdom like I said, but you can hang out at the park, eat, do something. But why do you just look furious? So we're gonna go back into Galaxy's Edge now, and we are going to maybe brave the 3 hour wait. Maybe. We're gonna eat, and we're gonna check out Galaxy's Edge, then we're gonna go home. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, hope you're enjoying this vlog. Hasn't been crazy, but been something. Any words? See ya at Galaxy's Edge. Alright, we're at Galaxy's Edge, and we grabbed lunch. We got the Ronto wraps. Got one. What do you think?
It's good.
Good? I really liked it. It's pretty good. Suggest it. And I got a Powerade. So we were planning on just waiting the line, but some guy came up and told us about the single rider line, and it's literally like we're already inside. Crazy. So we don't have to wait in like the 3 hour line. Oh, sorry. So this is crazy. Single rider to it.
season.
Alright, so we ended up ditching Disney and came to the outlets because we're broke and everything's like super cheap here. So we came to the Disney store at the outlets, but I think we're gonna head to the Orlando Mall and go to the Disney store there because why not? Alright, so we are headed home. It was a fun day. I really liked Galaxy's Edge. What did you think?
The thing that we did was really involvement in it. It took a lot of teamwork.
Yeah, the Smuggler's Run was actually really cool. And it was like a group effort type thing. It was like a challenge, so it was really cool. Strongly suggest, don't go the first week it's open though. Don't be crazy like us. All right. Have a great day. Bye. Any last words?